Good afternoon, dear student. In these classes, we're going to study about what exact mean of the center of excellence, why it will be developed myself, and why I consider such type of things to explore my knowledge, whatever I have learned from past 10 or 15 years that I explain over here. Basically, I develop this type of tutorial points to explore the knowledge whatever I have learned from the past experience of my the teaching experience. That is, I have just completed all the education from computer science. As you know, the computer science one of the leading subject into the in this type of era. That's why the computer science one of the best subject in 21st century, because all the activities whatever we done right now all are based on the computer. That means each and every act will be considered as a computer. That's why the computer science played an approximately 99.9% work in the very faster and very easy way. That's why computer is one of the best subject that will be considered by the students right now. So why we consider this type of tutorial over here to explore? We have multiple and many tutorials points are present into the YouTube, but over here I just trying to exploring my knowledge that very easiest way which will be helps to the student to better to clarify their experience to the others. So first of all, when we consider the computer science, one of the subject which will come from the science background, that is called the part of the mathematics, and it is also considered as a mathematics and computing parts. So about this type of tutorial I consider for both BSc computer science student, and BSc honors data science student, and also I consider this type of subject for BCA, B.sc-ITM, and also other IT students. In this tutorial points I explore all the core course paper which will be helps to the student to learn core paper to learn easiest way as possible as my past experience. That's why I always consider that teaching is one of the profession which gives the clarity about that if anyone can know that they're teaching, then must explore. And right now we have a multiple choice to explore our knowledge, but I think YouTube give a better idea to give our chance and explore our knowledge to the others. If we not choose the right platform, right way to how to explore our knowledge, then whatever study we have to learn from the past experience, it will not give that much of whatever we needed. Now the question is arise, if we choose multiple honor subject at a one time, is it applicable or is it considered by the anyone else, or we require any more? But I think that computer science, data science, BCA, B.sc-ITM, whatever their honors paper is always considered as a same. But most of the cases, some slight changes. Suppose I consider that the computer science CC1 paper is C programming concept, where the B.sc-ITM CC1 is real. That is the slight difference of the CC paper, but approximately whatever the syllabus designed by the universities, that is based on the things. I always now I just consider the syllabus from the one of the affiliated college, that is considered the FM University Baleshwar. So that is the syllabus I preference from the FM University Baleshwar. But over here computer science, data science, BCA and B.sc-ITM all are based on the state model syllabus, so it is not confused by anyone else. Those students who are preferred by the state modules, established by the government of Odisha, all are preferable without any default. Government of Odisha, whatever the syllabus will be established, slight changes. If anyone having any doubts about the subject, please clarify it. If you need some of the more extra about their subject related to their activities, please mention in the comment box. I am just trying to explore it as possible on my sides. Now come to the subject. If you come to the computer science, data science, BC and B.sc-ITM, all are related to the one of the technical parts. But right now all the subjects are demanding as per the market scenario. As you know that in the 10 year before, if you consider the computer science one of the subject which are present into the technical round, most of the students will not preferable. He or she can believe that why you can consider the computer science, is it applicable or is it usable for the futures? That's why it is not considered by anyone else. But most of the students like me and other those who are studying the computer science, he or she can believes that one day computer science gave more clarity or more revolutionary activities as compared to the other subjects. That's why computer science is one of the leading subject right now. Most of the students who are preferable computer science or technical subject as compared to the normal subject. I will not compare to the other subject is very good, but still right now the computer science also one of the leading part to know about different act whatever we needed. Amor abasyakata whatever we needed and which way we have to define, that is more things. It doesn't mean that we only consider the only traditional subject, but we always consider traditional with modern, because if we consider the both things right way, right position, then we got the proper way to clarify our subject. So in this video I just explore about the introduction about the subjects. In the next video I just started about the core paper, how explaining about the syllabus and how the syllabus will be explored and what are the marking scheme, will be designed and what are the outputs. Next we have to discuss about the CC core paper, and as per our request we have to explore all the activities. Thank you everyone.